Welcome to our flipped classroom, where math knowledge makes things easier. This is day 4 of our topic regarding subtracting rational numbers. Today we're going to be able to subtract rational numbers by treating subtraction as addition of the inverse. We're just going to go over the rules that we've learned so far and apply them to subtracting rational numbers. If we have 3 negatives in this example, and we want to take away one of those negatives, negative 3 minus a negative 1, we take away one of those negatives, obviously we have negative 2. We have 2 negatives left over. Let's see what that would look like on a number line. We know that negative 3 minus a negative 1 is going to give us a negative 2. But on a number line, to go from negative 3 to negative 2 is going to the right on a number line. I hope you realize from our previous videos that when adding a positive number, you move to the right on a number line. When adding a negative number, you move to the left. We can't use the general rule that adding is always to the right and subtracting is always to the left. We see when adding positive numbers, you move to the right. Adding negative numbers, you move to the left. What if we're taking away negative numbers? Well, let's look at it this way. If we had negative 3 and we're taking away one of the negatives, we're becoming less negative. And a number that's less negative is really more positive. It could be more negative or less negative. Less negative is moving more towards the positive side. So what we've learned is that taking away a negative has the same effect as adding a positive. And both of these are going to move to the right on a number line. This is where it starts to get a little hairy. We thought we had adding rational numbers at our fingertips. But it's not really all that difficult if you keep in mind these 2 general rules. Taking away a negative has the same effect as adding a positive. Something that's less negative is at the same time becoming more positive. And our other rule, taking away a positive, has the same effect as adding a negative. Meaning, if something is less positive, in essence, it's becoming more negative. On your own, solve these problems by first changing them to addition, and then illustrate your solution by either using a number bond diagram or a number line. If you have any questions, please bring them to class, and I look forward to seeing you there.